I'm not even finished yet, and I'm so excited about this hairstyle. So let's get straight into this tutorial. Hey everybody, it's Sharmel. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm here with a tutorial for these 36-inch soft locks. So the hair that I'm using is from ZRQ Beauty Hair. They are an Amazon vendor. I'm using their soft new Faux Locs crochet braids. So this hair automatically comes in the length 36 inches. I've watched several like soft lock videos, and they connect like two, let's say 12-inch locks or 14-inch locks together to get the extended length. But these, you don't have to do any of that. I'm looking at the construction of some of these locks, and it's basically the same thing. The company just attached two locks together, so it just cuts out the work for you. The locks are textured, they're lightweight. So I got 3 packs of hair, and each pack of hair has 21 locks in it. You can order the hair in a singular pack, or you can order it in a pack of 3, and I think they also have an option if you can order it in a pack of 4. Again, I have 3 packs, 21 locks in each pack, so I have a total of 63 locks. And so in addition to using these soft locks, I'm also going to be using this Rast-Afri Bora Bora Curl hair. I purchased this at my local beauty supply. You don't have to use this brand specifically, but any like wavy, water wave, bohemian curl, any type of wavy, curly crochet hair should be fine to use. And this is in 18 inches. So per usual, whenever I do any faux lock style, I always pre-section and part my hair a day prior. And so to pre-section my hair, I basically braid the root and then twist the ends. You can braid all the way down if you prefer, but you really only need it braided at the root to make sure that the crochet has something to hook onto. I'm gonna start by just crocheting a lock on each of these braids. So that took me about 1.5 minutes to attach all of those. So then I'm gonna take my Bora Bora hair. Now, depending on how long or short your hair is, you may have to use the whole thing for one braid, but I've been cutting mine in half. Again, this hair is 18 inches. And then I'm just gonna stretch it a little bit for extra length. So then you take your Bora Bora hair, and you basically just wrap this top part as you would do like if you're doing the traditional method, and you're just going to continue to wrap down until you pass your natural hair. So again, my natural hair isn't that long, but depending on how long your natural hair is will determine how much of this hair you need to use. And then once you pass your natural hair, you can just go ahead and tie a knot at the end. I usually tie about 2 to 3 knots just to make sure that it's secure. And that's it. And then depending on how much hair you have left, you can just cut it, or you can just like continue to wrap it around the lock. It's up to you. Then that is it. So it's really simple, really easy. It doesn't take as much time. I also really like this method too because you're adding the extra hair. It adds more texture to the locks, and it kind of gives it that like butterfly lock effect. That's it. That's all. So I'm going to show you guys one more. Again, I'm going to take my Bora Bora hair. So yeah, just make sure you're wrapping around the faux lock as well as your natural twist. You can crochet this through the base too if you like even more security, but I just find that I don't really need it. So, and then like I already showed you guys, I'm just going to continue to wrap and then tie it at the end, and that's it. This method is super easy and straight to the point. For a long time, I did not like crochet faux locks because I just felt like they never looked as good and as natural as when you do like the traditional wrap method. However, I really like this method with the crochet locks and then wrapping the top. It's like you get the best of both worlds. So you get the ease and the quickness with just crocheting them, but you still get kind of that natural and versatile look by wrapping the top part. This install did not take me too long to do. Again, I did pre-braid part my hair the day before, which always saves a lot of time, and then the actual installation portion took maybe 4.5 hours, and that's really good in my opinion for this size. I did not use all 3 packs of hair. I think I have maybe 7 or 8 locks left from the 3rd pack of hair. I do not recommend using more than 3 packs of hair for this style. The locks in general are lightweight, but the more locks you put in your head, because they're 36 inches and because of gravity, although they're not heavy, you will kind of feel some weight to it while they're hanging just because it's just so much hair. So again, I do not recommend using more than 3 packs of hair for this style. And you guys know I did recently color my hair. They do offer this hair in different colors, but I just got it in the 1B, so you can see a little of my natural hair peeking out the top, but it's fine. I think they still look really good, but if you do want color, they do offer a few other colors. And y'all, that is pretty much it for the installation portion. I love the way that this style came out. I think these locks are beautiful. I love how long they are, but I didn't have to spend that much time installing them. And yeah, let me know what you all think about this hairstyle. Links for everything will be listed down in the description box. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram, and I will see you beautiful people in my next video. Bye.